Good evening, sir.
Good evening, all of you. So
Good
mute
evening,
yourself.
sir.
All of you mute yourself.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Today let us start second chapter, that is compound angles.
Sir, compound angles completed, sir.
MCQs. Multiple choice. Multiple choice not yet completed. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So once again today we revise all the formulae.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening,
Good evening, sir.
good evening, good evening all.
Good evening.
Good evening all. Okay, let us start now. Right. So first point. So what is meant by the compound angle first of all? Compound angle. What is meant by the compound angle? That is nothing but the algebraic sum of the algebraic sum of two or more angles.
Two or more angles is called a compound angle.
Yes, two or more angles. More angles.
Is called a compound angle.
Good, good. Compound angle. So what are the examples shall we give?
A, B, C are three angles. Then A
Okay,
plus
that
B
leave it as it.
B
Actually,
plus C
generally we
plus
can
A
say
D.
A plus B.
plus C, A minus B plus C,
Yes.
etc. are compound angles.
A plus B, A minus B, A
A
plus B
plus B
plus C.
plus C, A minus B plus C are compound angles.
Yes, A plus B minus C or A minus B plus C and so on are called compound angles. These are the examples for the compound angles. Right? So now the second property, this formula we need to remember. If A and B are any two angles means there is no restriction on both A and B. Sometimes some formulae, some restrictions are there, because in multiple choice questions we need to discuss even the restrictions also. So if A and B are any two angles, it may be any angle, any two angles, then first one we can state sine of A plus B. See, the sine of A plus B is not equal to sine A plus sine B, is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. So my dear students, remember, sin of A plus B is not equal to sin A plus sin B, but sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now what is sin of A minus B? Simply, it's a
Sin A
pattern.
cos B minus cos A
Sin
sin
A
B.
minus cos A.
It is a pattern. It's a pattern. Same terms, but only instead of plus sign, you get a minus sign. Understood now? So that means
Yes, sir.
you can write like this: sin A
Cos B minus cos A sin B.
Very good. Minus cos A sin B. These two are just differ by the plus or minus sign. That's all. Okay, shall I move to the next page?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. No problem. I shall come back also. Don't worry. Third formula. That is cos of A plus B. It is quite interesting.
Cos A cos B minus sin B. Sin A
Yes.
sin B.
Yes. Cos A cos B
Minus sin A sin B.
yes, minus sin A sin B. So even though we have plus sign, we get negative sign here. So what is the value of cos of A minus B?
Cos A cos B minus cos A cos B plus sin A sin B.
Yes, that is cos A cos B plus
Plus sin A sin B.
Plus sin A.
sin B. So these need to be very careful about these two formulae. Right. So let us move to the next third one. Here restriction is there. If A comma B and A plus B, A minus B, because A plus B, A minus B are the compound angles. They are formed with the help of A comma B, you remember, or not odd multiples of pi by 2, then in that first formula, tan of A plus B, tan of A plus B,
Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus
Tan A
tan
plus
A.
tan B by
Minus tan
1
tan.
minus tan
Tan
A
A plus
tan
tan
B.
B by 1 minus tan A.
tan A plus
Tan
tan
A
B
plus
by
tan
1
B by
minus
minus
tan
tan
A
A
tan
1
tan B.
minus tan A.
My dear students, remember
Tan B.
here A, B, A plus B, A minus B should not be the odd multiples of pi by 2. What are the odd multiples of pi by 2? I will tell you. It should not be pi by 2. It should not be 3 pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 90. 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, and 9 pi by 2. That means odd multiples of pi by 2. It should not be. Then only it is defined. Otherwise, tan of A plus B is not defined. Tan of A plus B is defined for only if and only if A comma B, A comma B and A plus B, because it's related to A plus B and AB only. A comma B, A plus B are not odd multiples of pi by 2. This question may be given in concept based questions also. So you remember this one, but don't simply don't write directly tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So regarding to the JEE mains examination, competitive entrance examination, this point is very, very important. Okay, let us move to the second formula in this one only. What is the
Sir,
second
one
formula?
step before page.
I will come. Tan of A minus B. So this is very
Tan
simple.
A minus tan B.
Tan A minus tan B
Tan A
by
minus
1
tan
plus
A by 1
minus tan
tan A tan B.
Tan A minus
1 plus tan A tan
yes
1
plus
plus
tan A
tan B.
tan. But here also we shall have a discussion. A comma B and A minus B are not the odd multiples of pi by 2. Then only it is defined. So now I will go back to the second page.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Next, fourth point. Fourth point. If A comma B, A plus B and A minus B are not integral multiples. Integral multiples. Integral means don't get confusion. Integers. It may be positive integer or negative integer. Integral multiples of pi. Pi means 180 degrees. Then only the following formulae will define. So in that first formula, cot of A plus B.
Cot A, cot B,
cot A cot B minus 1 by
cot B plus
cot
cot
B
A,
plus
sir.
1 minus cot A
Cot A,
Cot
cot
B,
B
cot A.
minus 1 by cot B plus cot.
minus 1 by
Cot B plus cot A.
Yes, don't write cot A plus cot B. I will tell you. Because but one condition need to be discussed here, addressed here. A comma B and A plus B should not be actually integral multiples of pi. So integral multiples of pi means, let me write here. What are the integral multiples of means? Here A comma B and A plus B does not equal to pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, and so on. We can say n pi. It should not be equal to n pi. Then only this formula defines. Otherwise, the formula does not hold good. Shall I move to second formula?
Yes, sir.
You can
Yes,
expect
sir.
second formula.
Cot of A minus B is equals
Cot
to
of A
cot
minus
B.
B equals to
cot A
cot
cot B
plus
plus
1
cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A
Cot of A minus B equals to cot A cot B
cot A, cot B
Cot
plus 1
A,
cot B
cot
minus cot
B
A.
by cot B
plus
minus
1 by cot B minus cot A,
cot B
not
minus
cot A
cot
minus
Minus
cot
cot
B.
A.
Yes.
cot B minus cot A.
To follow the symmetric itself only, you might have observed the cot of A plus B I have written as cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Understood now? So here, though we have cot
Yes.
of A minus B, we get cot B minus cot A. Here also the condition A comma B and A minus B should not be the integral multiples of pi.
Integral multiples.
Of pi. What is the point number now here? Fifth point, I think so. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now we shall have a discussion on the fifth point.
Sin of A plus B plus C.
Yes. Sin of A plus B is very important.
Sin A cos B cos C minus cos A sin B
Plus
cos C
sin of
minus
A
cos
minus B. Sorry. 1 minute. Let me wait. Let me write. It's very easy, Nana. Already we have discussed sin of A plus B and sin of A
Sin A
minus
cos
B.
B, sir.
If
2
you add
sin A
these
cos
two,
B.
if you
plus
add
cos A
these
sin B
two,
sir.
you get
2
like
sin A cos B.
2 sin A cos B.
2 sin A cos B.
Yes, 2 sin A cos B. Second formula. Sin of A plus B.
Minus sin of A minus B.
A
That is
minus B.
equal to 2 cos A sin B.
2 cos
Two
A
cos-
sin
Yes. It's
Sin
very
A
simple.
plus A minus B.
Interchange these two angles.
2 cos A sin B.
1
2
minute.
cos A sin
Wait, Nana, wait. Interchange these two angles. Here A replaced by B, B replaced by A. So what do you get now here? 2 cos A,
2 cos A sin B sir.
2 cos
2
A
sin B cos A.
2 cos A sin B. Right. So next let us move to third one. So cos of A plus B, sorry, I did mistake. Cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B.
2 cos A cos B.
2 cos A
Yes.
cos B, sir.
2 cos
Two
A cos B. 2 cos A cos B. So fourth one, cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B.
2
2 sin A sin.
sin A
sin
sin
A.
Very good, very good. Both are sin. 2 sin A sin B.
Sin B.
Yes. So now we shall discuss one more concept. So in that first one, it is valid for any angle. No condition is there. Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. So if you multiply sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B,
sin square A
this can
minus
be
sin square
expressed
B.
in
Sin
both.
square A minus sin square B, sir.
Cos square B
Sin square
minus
A
cos
minus
B.
sin square B or cos square B minus cos square A.
Wait. Let me write. Sin square
Sin
A
square A
minus sin
minus
square
sin
B
square B, sir.
Minus sin square B or cos
Or
square
cos
B
square
minus cos square A.
square B
or cos square A minus cos square. Cos square B minus sin square A.
Cos square B minus cos square A.
Cos square
Sin.
B. 1 minute. Let me write. Cos square B minus cos square A. It's very simple. If you in the place of sin square A, if you write 1 minus cos square A, in the place of sin square B, you write 1 minus cos square B, you get same
1 minus
step
cos square A.
itself. Yes, this is the first formula. So next, in the sixth concept only, we are going to discuss second formula. So cos of A plus B.
Sir, before page shows.
One
Cos of A
minute,
plus B into cos of A minus B.
cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B.
That is equals to cos square A minus sin square
Cos
B.
square A minus sin square B or cos square B
Or
minus
cos
sin
square
square
B
A.
minus sin square A.
Okay. Okay, now
Cos
shall I
of
move
A
to,
plus B.
shall I move to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Shall I wait? Right. Cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B is always cos first.
Cos square A minus sin square B or
Yes.
cos square B minus sin square B or cos square B minus
Cos square A minus sin square B or cos square B minus sin square A.
cos square B minus sin square
Sin square,
sin
cos
square
square
A.
B minus
Sin
sin square A.
Right. Next, third one. Tan of A plus B into tan of A minus B.
Tan
Tan
square
square A minus tan
Tan
square B
Tan
by
square
1
A
minus tan
minus
square A tan square B.
1 minus
cos
Tan square A minus tan square B upon 1 minus tan square A tan
1
square B.
minus tan square A tan.
My dear students, it's very simple. You take tan of A plus B formula, already we have discussed tan of A minus B formula, both multiply it and you will get it. Same condition followed. Both A plus B, A comma, B comma, A plus B and A minus B are not the odd multiples of pi by 2. That condition should be satisfied here. You remember, by default, you need to understand. So now I am going to discuss one more important concept, that is, so that is 7.
cot of A plus B into cot of A minus B. That is equals to cot
Leave
square
it. Let's leave it that you
Sir,
can.
one step before page.
If you are interested, you can write, no problem. Cot of A plus B into cot of A minus B. So that's also very simple. That is cot square A, cot square B minus cot by
Minus
cot
1
square
by
B
minus
cos
1
cot
square
square
B
A.
minus
cos
cot square A.
square B minus cos square A.
Right. This is very important. Tan of 45 degrees plus theta.
cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta.
Okay. But moreover, this is actually basically equal to 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. And also it's equal to, sorry, 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta, or cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. So my dear students, don't get any confusion. This is tan of a plus b formula apply. You will get 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. If you put tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, after simplification, you get cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. So now, eighth one, in this first one, second one, tan of 45 degrees minus theta. Tan of 45 degrees minus
Cos
theta is
theta
equal to-
minus
Cos theta minus sin theta by
cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus
Wait.
sin theta.
Wait. 1 plus
1 minus tan theta by 1
1
plus
tan theta
minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta is equals to
equals to
cos theta
Cos theta minus sin theta by
cos
cos theta plus sin theta.
Now I ask you one question. What is tan 45 degrees plus theta multiplied by tan 45 degrees minus theta?
1.
1 sir.
Locals to each other, sir.
Obviously. For example, if you multiply these two, what happens now? 1 plus tan by 1 minus tan into 1 minus tan by 1 plus tan. 1 plus tan cancel, 1 minus tan cancel. 1. So let us write that formula also. Tan of 45 degrees plus theta multiplied with tan of 45 degrees minus theta. You get 1. Okay, now
Complete.
right. So let us discuss next first point. Sin theta plus sin 120 degrees plus theta minus sin 120 degrees minus theta. So equals to how much? If you want, I will give the proof also, don't worry. Okay, I will discuss the proof also. So here solution you can do like this. Sin theta plus this is sin of a plus b. This form is a plus b. This is a minus b. What
A
does
minus.
sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b stand for?
0, sir.
2 sin a sin b. A means 120. 2 sin a cos b. That is cos theta. Sorry, minus is there. Minus is there. I did mistake. So sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b is 2 cos a sin b. 2 cos a means 2 cos 120
Sin
This is
theta.
sin theta. So all of you remember, all the students here remember cos 120 degrees is we can write cos 160 minus 180 minus 60. 180 minus theta is second quadrant, all silver teacups.
So minus.
Second quadrant
Min-
sin is positive,
minus,
whereas
sir.
cos is negative.
Minus 1 by 2.
Yes.
Minus 1 by 2, sir.
1 minute. This is negative cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 upon 2. So negative 1 upon 2. So this equals to, we get sin theta plus 2 times negative 1 upon 2 sin theta. 2 gets cancelled. We have sin theta minus sin theta. So
0.
yes, if you subtract
0.
sin theta from sin theta, you get 0. Yes, this answer is 0. Okay, shall I move to next one?
Sir, once again,
Completed.
Previous page.
sir, once again explain this problem.
Okay, Nana. See, we have the formula. Note right on here. Take these two terms. Consider these two terms. They are in the form of sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b. Already we have discussed this one. That is nothing but 2 cos a sine b. Here a means 120 degrees, b means theta. So that means 2 cos 120 sine theta. Cos 120 means cos 180 minus 60. Cos 180 minus a is minus cos a. So minus cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2. Substituting here, cos 120 is minus 1 by 2. 2 into minus 1 by 2 into sine theta. 2 gets cancelled. Minus sine theta. Sine theta minus sine theta cancel. We have 0. So answer 0. Clear, Nana? Understood? Say yes or no.
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Second one.
Done.
Second one. Sine theta plus sine 240 degrees plus theta minus sine 240 degrees minus theta. Okay,
Zero,
try
sir.
yourself. What is the answer?
0, sir.
Zero, sir.
Zero.
0.
Okay, you are hero. Right. Let us go for the solution here. Sine theta plus sine of 240 degrees plus theta minus sine of 240 degrees minus theta. Just we have discussed in the previous case. This is sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b. So we can write 2 sine, adding these two. 2 sine a, sorry, 2 cos a. 2 cos a means cos 240 degrees
240 degrees sine
2
theta.
cos 240
sine theta.
degrees sine theta.
Yes, let us come to cos 240 degrees value. Cos 240
Minus
degrees
1 by
is
2,
equal.
sir.
1 minute, let me write. Cos 180 degrees plus 60. So my dear students, this is in the form of cos of 180 degrees plus a or plus theta. So that is 180 plus theta is third quadrant. All silver tea cups. Tan cot are positive because cos is negative. Cos remains cos. Minus cos theta. This is minus cos 60. Again you get minus
Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2.
Now you can expect your answer.
Yes, sir.
0.
This is equal
Yes,
to sine
yes.
theta
0 is the answer.
plus 2 times negative 1 by 2 of sine theta. 2 gets cancelled. Sine theta and minus sine theta. How much you are getting?
0.
0.
So answer is 0. But in multiple choice questions, I will tell you logics, don't worry. But briefly, I would like to explain the even proofs also.
Completed, sir.
Yes, yes. Third one. Cos theta plus cos 120 degrees plus theta plus cos 120 degrees minus theta. Right. So the first term keep as it is. If you just see the second term and third term, they are formula. So they look like a formula, that is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b.
Cos of a minus b.
Yes, 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 yes. So here, if you are interested, you can write the formula also. Cos of a plus b plus cos
Into
of a minus
cos.
b. or cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B, commutative law, no problem. Both are causes you will be getting. 2 cos A, cos B you will
2
be getting.
cos A cos B.
Yes. Here this is A. Am I correct? This is B. So substitute
B.
A for 120, B for theta. Okay, now
2
see the
cos
solution.
120 degrees cos theta.
0, sir, answer.
Yes, yes.
Answer is 0, sir.
Cos theta plus 2 cos 120 and cos theta. Already we had a discussion regarding cos 120. Let me revise for the benefit of late viewers. Any late viewers are there? Cos of 180 degrees minus 60. So cos 180 minus 60 minus cos 60.
Minus cos 60.
Yes, minus 1 upon 2.
2
Minus 1 by 2.
Yes, cos theta plus 2 times negative 1 upon 2 into cos theta. 2 will get cancelled. We have cos
0,
theta.
sir.
Yes,
0.
absolutely correct.
0.
0.
0. This is also 0. Shall I
Sir,
move to
these
next
all
page?
formulas are we should write in new notes.
Pardon me, repeat once again.
Sir, these all formulas are we should write in new notes.
No problem. Any notes you can follow. You need not put separate notebook. I don't recommend so.
Okay, sir.
Right. So now fourth one. Cos theta plus cos 240 degrees plus theta plus cos 240 degrees minus theta.
0, sir.
0, sir.
0, sir.
0, sir.
0. Right. How did you get 0? Let us see. So again, cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, 2 cos A cos B. So our solution follows like this: cos theta plus 2 cos, this is A, this is theta, cos 240 cos A,
Cos 240
cos
degrees
B
cos
cos
theta.
theta.
Degrees
Degrees
cos
cos theta.
Yes, now we need to find out this cos 240 degrees value.
Cos 240 degrees.
Yes, cos
Minus
240
1 by
degrees is equal to cos
Minus
of,
1 by 2.
minus 1 by 2.
Minus 1 by 2.
yes, 180 degrees plus 60. That will be minus cos 60.
Minus cos theta is equal
Minus
to
1.
Minus
minus 1 by 2, sir.
yes.
Minus 1 by
Cos theta plus 2 times minus 1 upon 2
Minus 1 by 2.
cos theta.
Into
So
cos
2
theta.
will cancel out.
2 to get cancelled.
Yes.
Cos
two
theta
will
minus
cancel.
cos theta
Minus
equals
Cos
to
theta minus
Theta
cos
minus cos
theta
theta
equals
equals to
to
0.
0.
So this is also 0.
Completed, sir.
Yes.
complete.
Completed, sir.
Complete.
So now ninth. Suppose if A plus C is equal to B, if sum of two angles is equal to other angle, A plus C is equal to B, then if you apply tan on both sides, you get like this: tan B minus tan A minus tan C equals to tan A into tan B into tan C. Right. Okay. One more very important formula now I am going to discuss. These are very important for the examination point of view, entrance point of view, these questions. Okay, fourth page. Fourth page. This is the fourth page. This is fifth.
Yes,
Sir, first and second page you can show.
Its concept is clear.
Okay.
yes, sir. Complete.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm asking about the concept, whether it is clear or not.
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Right. So next, this is very important. If A plus B is equal to 45 degrees, if sum of two angles is equal to 45, or it may be 225 degrees. See, that is a multiple of 45 only. 5 times the 45, you will be getting 225. Only these two angles, restricted to these two angles. Then, in that very important point, please all of you note down, because in questions we need to use this, make use of this formula. 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equals to 2. Second one, 1 minus cot A into 1 minus cot B is also 2 you will be getting. Third one, 1 plus cot A into 1 plus cot B equal to 2 cot A cot B. It's not 2, 2 cot A cot B. So here you put star mark because it is somewhat different. 1 plus cot A into 1 plus cot B is equal to 2 cot A cot B. Whereas 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. 1 minus cot A into 1 minus cot B is equal to 2. Here one interesting factor is that A plus B is equal to 45 means, can you choose two angles whose sum is 45? So don't write Mr. Don't write it. It cannot be so erased. Please see, don't write anything because it always appears as long as my class continues. Please try to remember. Now, here see, if A plus B is equal to 45 means you can take A is equal to 0 degrees, B is equal to 45. Add these two angles, how much do you get?
45.
45. Now substitute in the left hand side. 1 plus tan 0. Tan 0 is 0. 1 plus tan 45. Tan 45 is 1.
1.
1 into 2. How much you get? 2. That's why
2.
it is 2. But one more thing you remember. But in the case of A, we should not take 0 for second one. Because cot 0 is not defined. Am I correct? Cot
Yes,
0
Yes,
is
sir.
not defined. But only first case and
B
there
is
is-
equals to 0.
yes, but second and third we cannot prove with the help of these two. That's why only some limitations are there. That's why these are all called conditional identities. They are not identity. For example, if you take A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is algebraic identity. Here for all A comma B. Whatever value you take it A comma B, it's hold good, this identity. But these identities are not hold good for all values. That's why, particularly in trigonometry concern, they are called conditional identities. Okay, tomorrow we go for new interesting concepts, and tomorrow we shall complete total concept of this one, and day after tomorrow we shall start the problem sessions. So we shall be discussing multiple choice questions. Don't worry, even in multiple choice questions also we shall cover the syllabus of this compound angles related to the your intermediate syllabus or some other even 10th class syllabus, also some part of 10th class syllabus, some intermediate syllabus, that will be completed. Right? Okay.